Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to maths class. Now, everyone open studio page number 45. Okay, observe 3.12. Did you know that Bangalore has lost around 50,000 trees in recent years? Would you wish you to promote the planting of trees in your city? So, if so, how would you do it? List some ways here. Okay, here Bangalore lost 50,000 trees around the last year. So, how would you promote the trees? Okay, list some ways here. So, here you have to write like this. So, for example, you have to write your own way, or otherwise you have to write like this. So for example, I can make young children to aware of the effects caused by deforestation. Okay, I can make the young children to aware of the effects caused by deforestation. And the second one, I can ask them to water the plants daily. So why? Because here in Bangalore lost 50,000 trees. So how would you promote water the plants daily? And I explained the effects of caused by deforestation like this. Okay, you have to write the same answers, and you have to think yourself and write the answer. Next, how would you take care of the trees in your locality? Share with your partner. Okay, how would you take care of the trees in your locality? So water the plants daily and encourage the people to plant more and more plants. Why? Because trees gives more oxygen now. So you have to water the plants daily and encourage to plant more and more trees. Okay, children. So next one, we have go to the next 3.13. Study the number patterns and fill in the blanks. Okay, study the number patterns. So once you have to observe, children, here given 5,527, 5,537, 5,547. So once you have to observe which place of the digit has changed. Okay, so 5,000, 5,500, 500. So here the same. Once you have to observe here, the tens place digits changed. Am I correct or not? Yes, here only the tens place digits are changed. And how much here? It's 2, 3 and 4. That means it increases once. Okay, in the tens place digit increases once. So you have to write like that. 5,547 after 57. Now here 5,567, 5,577, 5,587. So here the numbers are increases tens. Why? Because here the tens place digit increases once. Okay, shall we go to the next one? 78,686, 78,676. So here also tens place of the digit changed. And how much? It is decreases 1. Here 8 and 7 and 6 means here the increases 1, and here the tens place digit decreases by 1. So you have to write like that. 78,600 and here 6. What is the before number of 6? 5. 656. 78,646. 78,636. 78,626. Okay, children. So here tens increases. Okay, here increases by 10 and here decreases by 10. So once you have to observe, we counted forwards and backwards in dash here. We counted and backward in tens. Okay, tens. Why? Because here we are adding 10. 5,547, if we add 10 means it is 5,557, 5,567. So like that. Okay, here we counted tens forward and here tens backward. Next, open page number 46. So here also given numbers 62,942, 62,842, 62,742. Okay, here you have to observe which place of the digit has changed. If in the that place of the digit changed means the number increases by like how much, here you have to observe. So first 62,942. So here 9, 8, 7. So here this is in which place? It is ones, tens, hundreds. So here the hundreds place of the digit changed. Okay, so right, you have to write. And here 9, 8, 7 means it increases or decreases, children? It decreases, means backward. 62,000. Here's the 7. What is the before number of 7? 6. 642. 62,542. 62,442. 62,342. So here the numbers come counted for backward in hundreds. Okay, children, so next one 78,386, and here 486, 586. So here the number increases by 100. So you have to write like that. 78,686, 78,786, 78,886, 78,986. Okay, here the numbers counted forward and backwards in 100. Here we counted backward hundreds, and here we counted forwards 100. So here you have to write hundreds. Okay, children, you have to write hundreds. Okay, children, so next you have to observe the next one. 12,456, 13,456. So here observe which place of the digit has changed. Here thousands, 2, 3, 4. Here the thousands place of the digit has changed, and it is, you have to observe, it is increases or decreases. So here the number increases. So you have to write 15,456, 16,456, 17,456, 18,456, 19,456, and 20,456. Okay, here the thousands place of the digit counted forward. Next here 7, 6, 5. Here the thousands place of the digit has changed, and it increases or decreases, you have to observe. It decreases. Here 7, 6, 5. It is decreases. So you have to write here 34,963, 33,963, 32,963, 31,963. So here we counted forwards and backwards in hundreds or tens or ones or thousands, children? Thousands. So here you have to write thousands. Okay, next now you have to observe here also. First of all, you have to observe which place of the digit has changed. Here we identify easily. Here 2, 3, 4. Which place it is? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. So here the 10,000 place digit has changed, and how much it is? It is increases or decreases? It increases. Here 2, here 3, and here 4. So next write the number patterns. 5, 55,678, 65,678, 66,678. Next 75,678, 85,678, 95,600. Next again you have to add 1. Means if you add 1 to the number 9, it's 1,05,000 1,05,678. Okay, children. It's 1,05,678. Next, here you have to observe 8, 7, 6, and here you have to observe its increases or decreases, children. Here the 10,000's place of the digit decreases. So now here 6 before 58,999, 48,999, 38,999, 28,999. So here we counted forwards and backwards in ones are, tens are, thousands are, 10,000s here. Here the 10,000 place of the digit change, and it here it is increases and here it is decreases. So here we counted forwards and backwards in 10,000s here. Okay, we counted forward and backward in 10,000s here. Okay, note down everyone, children. Okay, children, so next everyone open companion page number 23. Okay, so I will read the question. Listen carefully, everyone. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order and descending orders. Okay, here given 4 numbers. You have to write these numbers in ascending order and descending order. So first 11,200, 11,800, 11,300 and 11,100. So which number comes first, children? 11,100 is smaller number, so you have to write first. Next 11,200, 11,300, 11,800. Here the 10,000's place and the 1,000 places also same. You have to observe the 100 place digits and write. Okay, now this is ascending order. Now you have to write the descending order. So the descending order means bigger to smaller. So here which one is bigger number? 11,800. Next 11,300, 11,200, 11,100. Okay, now here I arranged the numbers in ascending order and descending order also. So here given two number sets, you have to write ascending and descending order of the numbers. Okay, children, this is your homework. Next, everyone open studio page number 47. Observe 3.14. Some people are standing in front of the cash counter. Each one has a bill. The shop is giving away gifts to people who have bought products for more than 60,000. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, here some people are standing in cash counter. Why? Because so here these people buy something, and here those are wanted to pay the bill, and here this shop giving gift to people who have bought products more than 60,000. Okay, so first you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Here totally how much people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have to arrange the people products cost in ascending order. So first it's 56,000, 78,000, 58,000, 78,000 and 34,000. So the which one come first? 34,356. Next, which number comes after 34,000? After here the 56,000, 56,756. Next 58,986. So now here this is 78,000 and this is 78,000. So here 10,000 places same, 1,000 same and 100 also same. You have to observe the tens place. Here 5 and here 7. So 5 is smaller number, means this one comes first. 78,954, 78,968. Here we arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. Now the shop giving away gifts to people who have bought more than 60,000. Okay, who have, so here you have to observe who have bought more than 60,000. 56,000. So the first one 56,000. It is more than 60,000? No, so not. And next here 78,000. Yes, 78,954 is more than 60,000. So here you have to write which of these? Second person. Next, third one, it's 58,000. It is more than 60,000, children? No, so you have to leave this. Next, 78,000. So this is also more than 60,000. Second person and fourth person. So and fifth person 34,000, and this is the very least amount. So here in these 5 members who have bought more than 60,000, children? Second person and fourth person. And who will receive a gift? Second person and fourth person. Okay, you have to write like this. Okay, children, so now it's project time. Okay, everyone open companion page number 24. Okay, everyone open companion page number 24. So project time. Create a set of 5-digit numbers and give it to your partner. Okay, so you have to prepare set of any 5-digit numbers and give to your partner and arrange the numbers given by your partner. Okay, so you have to prepare set of 5-digit numbers, and also your partner also prepare set of 5-digit numbers, and after that arrange the numbers given by your partner. Okay, you have to take the set of 5-digit numbers to your partner and arrange those numbers in ascending order and descending order within the allotted time. Okay, you have to take the set of 5-digit numbers from your partner and write ascending order and descending order. So first you have to prepare 5-digit numbers and you will give to your friend, and after that you have to take the set of 5-digit numbers given by your partner, and next you have to write numbers here. First write the 5 numbers here, and next write the ascending order and descending order. Okay, children, so this is your project. Everyone do this project and complete. Okay, children, so everyone do this project and send to me. So next, things I have learned. Complete the mind map. So in this chapter, which topics we have discussed, children? So this is totally the 5-digit number. This chapter totally based on 5-digit number, and we learnt periods. So how many periods we are having? Ones period and thousands period. So ones period having ones, tens and hundreds groups, and thousands having thousands and 10,000s. Okay, and when we write a number name, all the digits in the same period as combined and read together. For example, how we read this number? We read 6 10,000s and 7,000, children? No, we are reading 67,544. Okay, so here the face value of a digit and its place helps. The face value of a digit and its place help us to find its value of the digit. Okay, its value of the digit. Okay, children, next, to find 10, 100, 1000 more than a number, we count forward or backward, children? Here asking 10, 100, 1000 more than means we counted forward. So here you have to write counted forward. Okay, and in this chapter we learnt already comparing numbers. So how to compare numbers? We are using 3 symbols: less than, greater than and is equal to. When we are using less than symbol, if the first number is smaller means you have to use less than, and the first number is greater means you have to use greater than, and both the two numbers are same means you have to use equal to symbol, and ascending order and descending order. The expanded form of a number help us to find the value of dash in each number. So here the expanded form of a number helps to find value of each digit. Okay, value of each digit in the number. Okay children, are you clear? So this is about today's class. Okay, so after that here given one question time. You have to fill this question paper and send to me. Okay children, here the first one given number names. So we know that how to write number names, you have to write. And expanded form. So here you have to give ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So how many thousands here? 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4. So just now we completed mind map. Expanded form means you have to write the sum of the place values. And you have to compare these numbers with using of these symbols. Next, ascending order and descending order. We know that, you know that already. Ascending order means write the digits from smaller to bigger. And the descending means bigger to smaller. Next, fill in the table with numbers that are 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 more than the given number. So here I will explain the first number here given 34,420. So 10 more than means just you have to add 1 in the tens place digit. 34,400. You have to add 1 means in here in the tens place 1 is there. You have to add 1 means it's 2. 34,420. And 100 means just you have to add 1 in the 100 place digit. 34,000. So here in the 100 place 4 you have to add 1 means 510. 1000 means you have to add 1 in the thousands place. 30 here 4. You have to add 1 means it's 5. 35,410. And the 10,000 means you have to add 1 in the 10,000s. 44,410. Okay children. Okay, you have to add 1 in the thousands place. So remaining also you have to do the same. Next here, fill the numbers that are 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 less than the given numbers. Less than means we count backward. Means you have to subtract 1. 10 less means 65,400. You have to subtract 1 from the tens place. Here 9 is there. 9 minus 1, 8. 480. And 100 means you have to subtract 1 from the 100 place digit. 65,000. Here 4 means 390. 1000 means you have to subtract 1 from the thousands place. 64,490. And the 10,000 means you have to subtract 1 from 6. 55,490. Okay children, you have to complete this question time and send to me. Okay, this is about today's class children. Thank you.